Is salt good or bad for us? The simple answer is that we need salt, but in moderation. The required amount we need per day is around 1/2 to 1.5 teaspoons of salt per day. What is salt exactly? It is a white, crystalline substance with its chemical components being sodium and chloride. Most food we eat already has all the sodium we need, even before adding any table salt to your plate. So, what do you do if you like salty food? Our recommendation is to salt your food close to serving, or not at all, and just add salt at the table. The foods with the highest sodium content are breads, cured and canned foods, and especially canned soup. On average, canned soups have 863 milligrams of sodium. Wait a minute, that's equal to about 1 teaspoon of salt for only 1 bowl of soup. So why do we need salt? Well, it balances our electrolytes and prevents us from becoming dehydrated. But at the same time, too much salt can be linked to high blood pressure, which can lead to heart disease. So like we said, moderation is key. From the makers of the Spatz 3 adjustable balloon system, we hope you stay healthy and strong. For more information about our non-surgical weight loss procedure, feel free to visit us at www.spatzmedical.com or at #SpatzAdjustableBalloon. Thanks for watching and see you next time.